Ram builds tough trucks. Nobody's arguing that. But there are 5 things they absolutely know about your truck, and they never tell you. Not in the owner's manual, not at the dealer, not in any service bulletin they're handing out. I've been a mechanic for 20 years. I've seen what these 5 things do to a Ram when an owner doesn't know about them. And I'm telling you right now, every single one of them costs thousands of dollars to fix. All of them are preventable. Let's get into it. Thing 1. Your transmission fluid is not lifetime Ram, says the transmission fluid in your 8-speed automatic is lifetime fluid. That is one of the most expensive lies in truck ownership. There is no such thing as lifetime transmission fluid. Fluid breaks down. It absorbs moisture. It loses its ability to protect clutch packs and valve body components under heat and load cycles. Lifetime means the fluid lasts as long as Ram wants your warranty to last, not as long as you want your truck to last. I've pulled transmission pans on Rams with 70,000 miles on lifetime fluid. The fluid is black. The pan has debris in it. The filter is clogged. And the owner has no idea because Ram told them it was fine. Change your transmission fluid every 40,000 to 50,000 miles. Use the correct ATF Plus 4 fluid. The service costs around $150 to $200. A transmission rebuild costs $3,000 to $5,000. You do that math. Thing 2. Your transfer case is starving for fluid. If you own a 4x4 Ram, your transfer case has its own separate fluid. It is not connected to your transmission. It does not get changed when you change your transmission fluid. And Ram's maintenance schedule barely mentions it. The transfer case fluid lubricates the chain and gear set that splits power between your front and rear axles every time you use 4WD. When that fluid breaks down, and it does break down, the chain stretches, the gear surfaces wear, and eventually the case starts howling under load. A transfer case replacement on a Ram 1500 4x4 runs $1,500 to $2,500 in parts alone. The labor takes it past $3,000 at most shops. Change your transfer case fluid every 30,000 miles. It holds about 1.5 quarts. The fluid costs under $30. The service takes 20 minutes if you're doing it yourself. This is the easiest $3,000 you'll ever save. Mid-roll CTA. If you're taking notes right now, good. Subscribe so you don't miss the rest of these. We do this every week. Thing 3. Your Ram has a death wobble trigger. Nobody warns you about death wobble is the most terrifying thing that can happen on a highway. Your front end starts shaking violently at speed. Steering wheel, dashboard, everything. It feels like your truck is coming apart. Ram never proactively tells owners what causes it. Here's what actually happens. Your front track bar connects your axle to the frame and controls lateral movement. The factory track bar bolts are prone to loosening over time, especially on trucks that see rough roads, heavy loads, or aggressive off-road use. When that bolt loosens, even slightly, the track bar develops play. Hit a groove in the pavement at highway speed and the axle oscillates. The wobble feeds itself. It gets violent fast. The fix is simple. Check your track bar bolts at every oil change. Torque spec is 125 foot-pounds. If they're loose, retorque them. If the bushing has worn, replace the track bar. A quality aftermarket track bar runs $200 to $400. The upgrade is worth it if you're running bigger tires or doing any towing. Ram knows this happens. It's in the forums. It's in the service bulletins. They just don't tell you to check it proactively. Thing 4. Your Ram's differential fluid is on a clock. Same story as the transfer case, different location. Your Ram has a front differential and a rear differential. Both have their own fluid. Neither gets attention unless you specifically ask for it. Differential fluid lubricates the ring and pinion gears that transfer power to your wheels. Under towing load, off-road stress, or even just daily highway miles, that fluid heats up and breaks down over time. When it goes, it takes the gears with it. Rear differential replacement on a Ram 1500 runs $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the axle ratio and whether you're going OEM or aftermarket. Front differential adds another $800 to $1,500. Change both differential fluids every 30,000 miles. If you tow regularly, every 15,000 to 20,000, the fluid costs around $20 to $30 per differential. This is a $50 service protecting a $3,000 repair. Ram doesn't advertise this interval. Now you know. Thing 5. Your Ram's fuel system is dirty. Right now, direct injection engines, which include most modern Ram power plants, have a carbon buildup problem that Ram does not warn owners about. Here's why it happens. In older port-injected engines, fuel sprays directly onto the intake valves, washing away carbon deposits every time the engine runs. Direct injection sprays fuel directly into the cylinder. The intake valves never see fuel, so carbon builds up on the backside of every intake valve, unimpeded mile after mile. By 60,000 to 80,000 miles, that carbon buildup is thick enough to affect airflow into the cylinder. You lose power, you lose fuel efficiency, your engine starts running rough at idle. The fix is an intake valve cleaning service. Walnut blasting is the most effective method. It runs $300 to $600 at a shop. Neglect it long enough, and you're looking at performance issues that get misdiagnosed as injector failure or sensor problems, adding unnecessary repair costs on top. Ask your shop about intake valve cleaning at 60,000 miles. Ram doesn't put it in the maintenance schedule. It should be. 5 things Ram never tells you. Transmission fluid, transfer case fluid, the death wobble trigger, differential fluid, and your fuel system. None of them complicated, none of them expensive to prevent. All of them capable of costing you thousands if you don't know about them. That's what this channel is for. 20 years of mechanic knowledge. The stuff that saves you money before the damage is done. Which one of these did you already know? And which one caught you off guard? Drop it in the comments. Tell me what year your Ram is. I want to know what you're driving. Subscribe if you own a Ram. This is exactly what we do every week.